Where's Orbit going? We're going to Centris. Bye! Whee! Whee! Wow! Hello! We're here at Centris. Cosmo is there walking by himself with Checo. Ganyan naman siya. Orbit wants to get down na, so I'll put her down in a bit. Si PN Poo. Oh no, may tao sa usual spot namin. That's our usual spot. Tara! Ba't di ka nagpunta sa grass?
Punta ka sa grass?
Taka na sa grass!
Mag-intro kayo.
Hello, hello! We're at Centris right now, which is part of our usual Sunday routine to bring the dogs here so that they could walk a little bit, get some sun. So that is the new stroller of Orbit. We bought this for like, mura lang siya, 1.7 lang siya sa Shopee. And we only bought like a small one, kasha sila. Akala namin kasha silang dalawa initially, pero hindi pala. But it's good kasi Cosmo walks on his own naman. As you can see, nandun siya sa likod ko right now. So yeah, we're just gonna go around, grab some coffee, grab some food, probably some produce kasi there is a market over there. Ayan. So that is where we buy our coffee, our beans, fruits. Meron ding mga meat dyan and eggs. So we might buy some today. Kasi dala naman yung stroller ni Orbit, so somewhat it's gonna be a big help carrying the things. So yeah, happy Sunday to everybody! Go catch up with Orbit! May pupo oh! No dirty! Come on! Cosmo! Cosmo Pogi! Cosmo Pogi! So yeah, this is us right now. That's Orbit and Cosmo. Checo left to buy some coffee. Doon sila nakatingin sa kabila kasi mayroong dogs doon sa kabilang side. So, I think those are poodles. And they're just waiting for their water kasi uhaw na yata sila. So, yeah. We'll just wait until Checo have the food na. And then we'll eat a little bit. And then we'll probably head back kasi medyo mabilis uminit kasi diba pa summer na. The food is here. We got lugaw. This is Vietnamese coffee. Then this is maruya. Inggit. Inggit yan. Yeah, this is our usual Sunday. Although may continuation pa tong vlog kasi punta kami ni Checo mamaya sa Ayala Mall to watch Devil Wears Prada 2. Yan, nangihingi talaga siya. Bawal nga sa'yo to? No. Ito niya kasi yung laman. May laman kasi yung lugaw. You are not supposed to get up. Go back. Sit down. on our way to British North because we reserved a movie tickets for Devil Wears Prada 2. So, of course, we have to see it. And hopefully walang masyadong tao sa mall. But I think meron because we just passed the payday weekend. I think payday no Friday. So, let's just see. But we'll just be there to watch the movie, diba?
Yes.
Probably just go around a bit and then buy the kids treats. Syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan ang kanilang treats. Kasi nagtatampo sila pag umuwi kami na walang treats. So, yeah. Sobrang init na, guys. I don't know kung anong temperature sa labas. Hey Siri? What's the temperature? Ay, naka-off yata dito ko. It's 34, pero for sure yung real feel yun is like 36. We're at Quezon Avenue now. So, ayan. Sobrang init. Nakakatuwa yung GSM na Green Fleet, no? Ang dami na nila around Metro Manila. And like, if you're in Metro Manila, it's guaranteed that you can probably book after waiting for a couple of minutes. So hopefully mag-expand pa because it's fully electric green vehicles. So, yung father ng best friend ko ay driver ng Green GSM din. And okay naman siya before dati. I mean, dati sa Grab yung father ni Lovely. Ang downside lang is, kailangan nilang mag-wait, mag-full bago sila alis from their shift. Kailangan nilang i-charge siya to full. And sometimes it does take a little
Pero
bit of
libre
while.
yung charging nila for the next 2 years. Yun yung alam.
For the next 2 years?
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, hanggang 2028 yata. Sabi nung, yung nasakyan ko na GSM.
Hindi kasama yun sa kanila, syempre, kasi nasa GSM, Green GSM fleet sila. Parang may designated charging station sila. Pero ang cons nga lang, kailangan nilang hintayin ma-full bago umuwi si Tito. You have to leave the car na fully charged out. Para next shift, you're ready. So,
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Our version of BGC sa Vertis. Sa North. It's called Vertis North.
This is the park where we used to take the kids. So, kasi nice siya. Maraming drains and it's a multi-purpose park kasi they also use it as a water holding area pag tag-ulan. So, yung gitna niya, yung sunken garden part niya, nagiging yes, nagiging pond siya here. Pero we haven't really seen na may laman siyang tubig, di ba?
Kasi hindi tayo
Oo,
pumunta
hindi kami nakita mag-umuulan. We shall see, siguro. We just have to, kailangan muna natin magtiis all throughout this summer to see. Yeah, we gotta wait pag tag-ulan, hopefully. Pag nilabas yung mga chikitis. This is Soler now. We're at the back of Soler. And just across Soler is Seda. And across Seda is already
Vertis.
Ayala Vertis. So, hindi naman mahirap to get around. Super quick drive lang.
For us, because we just live like literally 5 minutes drive.
Yeah.
Pwede nga,
Usually naman maluwag naman yung part ng EDSA na dinadaanan namin. Except sa Quezon Avenue intersection.
pwede nga lakarin eh, pero syempre so
Good luck. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm a little bit stressed. Kasi Checo is still in the car. Nasira or na-stuck yung gear shift ng car. So we message a technician. 4th floor, kuya. Yes. 4th floor yung cinema. Tama ba yung building? Okay.
Tawid na lang po kayo sa kabila.
Okay. Again, based on the plan, dalawa kami ni Checo mananood. But the sad thing is, or the unexpected thing is that na-stuck yung gear shift ng car namin and it wouldn't work. So right now, he's stuck sa basement 1 to get a mechanic. He already talked to one. So may kausap na siya. Parating na si kuya. But sadly, ako lang manonood lang. Hi ate, I have 2 tickets for Devil Wear Prada ng 135 I guess. Does it come with a popcorn and water as well? Thank you. So, ayun na nga ang chika. Checo is stuck sa basement 1 because yung gear shift ng car namin ay na-stuck. So, tumawag na siya ng mechanic. So, may kausap na siya, iniintay na lang namin to have it fixed. But the sad thing is, I have 2 tickets right here with me. But, ako lang yung makakanood. So, sayang. But then again, something unexpected happened and we have to repivot. But that's totally fine. So I'm here at the cinema na. I'll just pee and then yeah, I'll go ahead and watch. Hopefully mabilis maayos yung car kasi minor issue lang siya based on our research. So may setup sila ng Devil Wears Prada here. So ayan siya. It's good. I would say the end scene was something that not shocked me but gave me so much happiness for the 2 movies. I like how it ended. Plus you should see it because there are really good twists and
true.
turns and plot is really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, watch it.
Hey guys, so just an update din.
Yes.
Umano lang ako, humabol lang ako kasi na-stuck ako sa parking lot kanina.
He was already halfway in the movie. But the good thing is, he didn't miss the movie entirely.
Yeah.
Nakita niyo yung palate.
Actually, I'm not sure kung nakwento mo na ba?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but it was the very first time na nangyari siya after more than 10 years of driving.
And the funny thing was, not the funny thing, but the good thing was, nangyari yung aberya not while we're in the middle of EDSA, nasa parking na kami, nasa big
Yes.
B1 parking.
So, yun yung maganda. Ayun. Tsaka buti na lang, tayo, may presence of mind. So, kasi we're using automatic. Yung gear selector, na-stuck siya sa neutral. Well, gumagana siya, pero nag-loose kasi yung lock niya. Ilagay namin sa drive and other
Hindi pa rin siya mag-move
Oo.
forward.
Yeah. Thankfully, nangyari siya na we are in the middle of the city. So, we can easily call a mechanic.
And he was there like 30 minutes after you called, diba?
Yes.
Kasi he waited for the car. He waited for the guy to drive pa. Kasi nasa Fairview yata sila banda. But
Yeah.
it only took them 30 minutes to be there. Which is
That's
really
right.
nice. Plus, they're really good. Kuya is really good.
Yes. And I can't show myself because I'm so stressed. Well, not really stressed.
Not
but,
shaken up.
well, not even. It's just that gulong-gulo yung buhok ko ngayon. So,
Yeah. So, ayun. We're heading home now.
yeah.
Kinda like the bedtime already. It's
True.
already 2:50.
Which reminds me pala, I need to get something
Like what?
Hey guys, so ayun, bumili muna kami ng stuff sa True Value. Ayun, kasi may aayusin kami sa bahay. And I think we're heading home na ba? Or
Yeah, I think so. Or bibili ako ng AirPods. I don't know. We're heading home.
Yeah.
Do that.
so we're heading home.
Mas malaki pala yung tipid ko if I'm
Di ba
just
tayo
buying
kakain?
sa shop.
Ito yung sabi ko sa yung samgyup.
Yeah. Armies too.
Kaya sa bagay, yeah.
We're heading down.
Okay. Ikot muna kami ng slight pala before uuwi. Let's see kung magutom kami.
Sobrang init.
Here.
Let's go, takoyaki.
Balik na kami sa car. And I'm also done with the laundry today. Everything is clean. Ready to start the Monday again. Monday na tomorrow. So, tinapos na lahat ng house chores. Daming dogs. We love going around dito kasi maraming mga aso. So, fitness overload. Hindi pa namin nadadala yung dalawa dito since may stroller na si Orbit. Siguro probably in 2 weeks time, dalhin namin sila here. Pero si Cosmo kasi hindi siya sanay mag-diaper. Kaya kailangan muna namin siyang sanayin mag-diaper.
Hey guys, so we're currently here sa Miswa Noodles and Rice. So kaka-open niya lang here sa corner Panay Avenue, Scout Albano. So it's open 24/7. And ayun nga, what can you say about our new find?
Nabasa. Masarap siya guys. I ate siomai and asado. Although yung pork asado na siopaw is medyo basa siya inside. Hindi ako sanay kumain ng siopaw na basa yung inside. Gusto ko medyo firm. But overall, it's good. Tsaka, at least may bago in the area. And 24 hours yata siya. 24 hours siya. So, we have another option for, you know, when to eat kapag lunch. Kasi diba we work. So, yeah.
So, just to add, yung pinaka nila here, main offering is yung miswa. And I have to say, yung miswa nila here, sobrang close sa Taiwan miswa, sa Taipei miswa. I mean, if you've been to Siminding, yung trending na miswa doon, na pinipilahan, ganun na ganun yung miswa nila here. So, you should try. Offering nila. So, they have the Taiwan miswa, pork asado siopaw, bola-bola, mongo pao, crispy chicken chops, lumpiang Shanghai, pork sisig. Ayan. So, mura lang din. Taiwan miswa is just 99 pesos. And sobrang okay yung vibe. Kuya, thank you. Next time ulit. Thank you. Di po. Natumba pa ako, guys. Munti ka nang matumba. So, ito, sobrang dali lang niyang hanapin if ever nasa Scout area kayo. Just look for ABS-CBN, hanapin niyo yung bar ni Vice Ganda, and then nasa kanto lang siya. Ayan. That is if you're craving for miswa in the middle of the night.
After party sa Pao.
Yes, that's right. So, kakalabas lang namin sa 7-Eleven. We just bought something. Ayun. Kung ano man yun, it's secret. But anyway, we're here sa M-Place. Yeah. So, galing kami sa Miswa. Yun yung name ng bagong store sa kanto ng Panay Avenue and Scout Albano. And here, nandito kami sa M-Place. And, ewan ko, I don't know kung paano namin i-edit tong vlog na to. Paano namin i-connect lahat
You will
ng
just-
nangyari.
Together.
Lahat ng nangyari this weekend. Kasi ang dami. Like, pumunta kami sa Centris. Nag-walk kami with the kids. And when we say kids, it's our pet. You know, we don't consider them as just pet. They're like fur kids. Fur babies. They're part of family. They're part of their family. Ganun. And then, after that, nanood kami ng Devil Wears Prada. And then, nagkaroon ng incident na nasira yung
Shifter.
shift, yung gear selector. Then,
And we're both like, wala kaming idea kung paano siya ayusin kasi wala talaga kaming alam paano siya.
buti na lang, thankful kami kay Claude AI. Well, of course, you know, God gave us the presence of mind and the favor na padalhan kami ng mechanic na available kaagad. But, he also used Claude AI kasi doon kami nag-ask kay Claude what to do and sinong tawagan. So, yung lumabas na mechanic sa AI, when we ask AI, is siya din yung unang pumunta. And, ayun, ang bilis niya.
Yeah, he's very capable naman. Naayos niya agad yung car.
Yeah.
So, nakauwi din kami.
Nakauwi din kami. Ayun.
Right after the movie.
Right after the movie. Although, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. And then, natulog the entire afternoon. And, ayun nga, since baliktad yung araw namin, so, itong oras kami, you know, lumabas ng bahay ulit. And then, pumunta sa yung sa kanto, sa Miswa. And, ayun.
Doon ko na minute si Checo.
Yes.
Kasi late ako. 3:30. Doon na kami nagkita.
Ito pala yung view ng ABS-CBN Tower pagpa sunrise. Oo. Diba it's also called as sundusk? Dusk ba? Oh, yan yung sundusk. Not sure if the video gives justice to
Or
how
is dusk before
beautiful it
sunset?
is.
This is
Hmm.
dawn.
Yeah, this is dawn. Pero
Dusk is when it's about to set. To set na.
dawn siya. Pero alam ko dusk is yung light na parang siya yung hindi siya nagbe-break pero basta nasa middle siya ng night and no, not middle ng night. Like night hanggang pa
Sunrise.
sunrise or ano yun sa
Siya yung
Tagalog? Night to bukang liwayway. Oo, 'di ba? Yun yung dusk, I think.
Sure.
So anyway, popost na lang namin here kung anong
Lagi ko ng infographics here.
anong definition ng dusk. So, yeah. This vlog, actually walang ka-script tong vlog na to. This is just like a preview of what we usually do
Pag weekend.
pag weekend.
Si Checo nagpamassage pala siya. Galing siyang massage.
Yeah.
Although ako kasi, I would get a massage pag day. So that's twice.
True. By the way guys, itong part na to, ito yung nag-trending na si Kyla and si pangalan nung Mark? John Mark, yung na 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 na. Basta yun, post ko na lang din here para maalala nyo yung eksenang yun. I mean, kung pwede ko siyang gamitin na clip. Ito yun, dito yung na part. Tapos dito, ito yung office ng Cornerstone. So maraming mga content creators, mga vloggers, mga influencers na pumupunta dyan because parang yan yung headquarters nila. Cornerstone is a talent agency, di ba? And production. Ayun. And, maaga pala magbubukas ang His Beans.
Si kanina pa may light.
Kanina pa
When
pa.
I passed.
Ayun. So this is
first safety.
His
Parang
Beans.
wala ting
Ito yung second branch ng His Beans sa buong Metro Manila. Ang first branch is may tao. Oh my God. Diyan siya natutulog. Ang first branch is nasa Timog. So this is Mother Ignacia branch. Kasi sobrang galaw nito. Gagano.
Rent daw. Rent na to.
So, ganitong oras. Maraming na rin nagjo-jog sa area. Nagbabike. Dito din pala dumadaan yung mga provincial buses. Here. Yan, like ito, Victory Liner. So, itong spot na to, Sergeant Esguerra. If familiar kayo sa Mabuhay Lanes, this is part of the Mabuhay Lanes. So, parang ano siya, it's an alternative to EDSA. And here, makikita mo, here. Ayun. Yan, Mabuhay Lane. So, alternate route siya if you want to avoid EDSA. Yan. Kaya even if nasa looban kami, malawak siya. Kasi, pero konti lang yung nakakaalam na motorist. Kaya nasa-stuck sila sa EDSA. Pero kahit kami, if we need to go to the south, yeah, well, we use EDSA. Pero, minsan dito kami.
Yan na naman ang mga asosasyon.
Yeah. So we're going to upload this now, just like a preview of our weekend. But huwag kayong magtaka kasi may mga vlogs pa ako from Alabama na hindi ko na-upload. So upload ko na rin this week. Yeah. So that's it for today. That's it for today. Parang ano. Mag-try kaya kami mag-podcast kasi di na rin alam namin kung anong content na